All right, so today is Microlocs wash day. I'm about 3 years locked at this point. My hair is dirty. I have recently colored it, so let's go ahead and talk about what we're doing. Actually, I think I'm 4 years locked here. Anywho, I'm using this tank top to let my hair dry in the end. You'll see here my products. You can use any oil or shampoo of your choice. I have this other shampoo over here, which is a neutralizing one that I'm using today too, but typically I only use this one here. I'm using the squirt bottle so I can directly get to my roots. I'm pumping some in there because I like to dilute my shampoo so it's not so much and so drying. This one doesn't really strip my hair so much. It's kind of a moisturizing shampoo. Shake it up, shake it up. All right, now here is an important part to prevent lint and all that other stuff built up in your hair. You have to really shake it out. Some people brush their locks. That is not me, but I definitely aggressively shake my hair out to make sure there's nothing stuck in it. The next super important thing is to really saturate your hair. You're gonna see a lot of rinsing. Usually I do this in the shower. I'm doing it in the sink just for the sake of this video, but there's a lot of water going into the hair because locks take time to penetrate. So you want to squeeze the water in. You want to take a good amount of time to just really get water as deep into all of your locks as possible. Get on your scalp. I like to say that I wash with water, so a water cleanse, because I'm definitely loosening up anything that's on my scalp. I'm really getting in there, and I am making sure it's clean with just water. I did it longer than that, but on to the neutralizing shampoo. I'm only using neutralizing shampoo because I recently colored my hair, and I like to make sure that just in case there was any dye, because I did use bleach, well, a product with bleach in it, just in case I'm still doing a deep cleanse the next time that I wash my hair. But any other time I just stick with the next step. But as you can see, my hair is dirty, so there is not much suds going on. My hair is not clean to me if I don't see a whole bunch of bubbles, so that's why I wash multiple times. This first time is just really getting it in there. So I'm squeezing the shampoo in, I'm rinsing that out. More water, the deeper the water gets into your locks, the more clean it's gonna feel. With Microlocs, you definitely want to keep it nice and light. So I don't even use any products really in my hair. I'm going on again and I am just getting it on in there. So I'm pretty much doing this a couple times, and really you can just feel when your hair is dirty. You really want to take your time with this. It doesn't usually take this long if I wasn't recording, but it's like a pretty low maintenance routine. If you care about your roots being nice and neat, all of that, you probably don't want to go in there and get in there like I'm getting in there, but use your discretion. Ooh, I'm getting a little bit of suds. That's how I know something is happening. Now you want to take it and rub it. Like I scrub my hair, squeeze it in, scrub it like the old school, like how they was washing on a little board. I'm trying to get in there because your locks are nothing but your curls just twisting around each other over and over and over and over. So it takes some effort to get to the center. So yeah, you see I'm really just getting in there. Once again, like I said, water is a Microloc's best friend. Another important part about rinsing is that you want to make sure there's no shampoo residue deep down in your lock. After you did all that squeezing to get it in there, you got to make sure that you do some extra squeezing to get that water deep in there so it can really cleanse the center of your locks. you want them to feel lightweight. You can really feel it in your hands when your hair is still heavy. Now I'm moving on to the actual shampoo routine that I usually would do, which is much quicker if my hair wasn't recently colored. And you see how I'm able to just go directly to my scalp and get it like everywhere that I need, and I'm not using so much shampoo. Look at these bubbles. Look at this. That's how you know it's getting there. I love to see it. Yeah, this is how you know when your hair is clean. When you see all of these bubbles, you see these suds, and that might only just be a visual effect, but if I don't see it, I don't feel like it's clean. Now, me personally, I like to, at this point in the shower, I would stop here and leave it in my hair until the end of my shower, and then rinse it out and continue the process, because the longer it sits in my hair, the deeper I feel like it goes. That might not be true, but everything needs a little time to soak into your hair. So we're rinsing again. I really cut this up so much because if I recorded the time that I'm just rinsing my hair, because I rinse my hair, I feel like I can't stress that enough. Rinse this out. Squeeze the water into your hair. Don't neglect your ends. Don't just assume. Make sure that water is running clear. And even after it's running clear, do it again. Next, after I just cleansed every oil up out of my hair, I mainly am putting this oil directly on my scalp, and I'm overdoing it because I'm going to rinse it out afterwards. If I had time, this is where I would put a plastic cap on and just get myself a little bit of a deep heat, a hot oil treatment or warm oil treatment, whatever. But I don't really have the time for that, and trust me, you can really feel the difference after you put the oil on. That's pretty much the only products that I use in my hair, which is aloe vera, and oil. I'll switch up the oil sometimes, but that's pretty much it. Now you just want to squeeze as much of the water out as possible after you rinse that oil out. The goal was not to rinse all of the oil out, by the way. When I say squeeze, I'm talking about squeeze every last drop that you can, because these locks, some people I heard that they have mildew or their locks will smell like mildew. It's because you're not letting your hair properly dry. So that is why I use this t-shirt. It really makes sure that there is no lint being put into my hair. That's why I keep it black as well. And now there's my clean locks. They're clean, lightweight, baby. Look at that scalp. Look at that. Get in there. Look, clean. If you can smell my hair, I like that black vanilla shampoo because it leaves it smelling just delicious. But look at that. My color is more vibrant. You can't really tell because it's still wet and you can't really see it in here. But so this is how I use the tank top to walk around for like the rest of the day, or maybe just an hour or two. But this is gonna really get any of the additional moisture out of your hair. You need to continuously soak it up. And so I like to take it and wrap it around like this, make myself a little bun. Then I go about my business. There you go. That's it. Subscribe because I done already cut these locks off. I'm on a whole nother lock journey at this point. So thank you for watching. I'm gonna just let the music play.